How to change message color on Android. So if you want to change message color on Android, then first let's open up Messages application. Once you're here on the Messages, now here you can see the wallpaper or the color of the background or the wallpaper is like bluish or something, right? So if you want to change that message color or the background color on your messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to go for wallpaper, go for settings. Under settings, go for search, which is on the upper right, and search for wallpaper. Once you've searched here, you will have your wallpaper, right? And choose any wallpaper that you would like to change. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you choose, tap on apply and tap on apply to lock screen. Wallpaper also, like your home screen. Once you've applied that to your home screen or your lock screen, now you can go back and you can open up your Messages now, and you can see that your wallpaper has not been changed. So for example, if I start a chat with someone, once you're on the chat, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and here you can see that you don't have that wallpaper or you don't have any change option to customize the message color, right? So unfortunately, we don't have any option to change the message color on our Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.